Welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today, we get review about 200/2400 mm High-Power Astronomical Telescope for stargazing enthusiasts. A comprehensive review of the 200/2400 mm High-Power Astronomical Telescope for stargazing enthusiasts and amateur astronomers, the quest for a telescope that seamlessly combines power and precision is a perpetual one. The 200/2400 mm High-Power Astronomical Telescope enters the scene with promises of bringing the wonders of the cosmos closer than ever before. After thorough exploration, it's clear that this telescope is not just a tool, it's a portal to the celestial wonders above. The standout feature of this astronomical telescope is its impressive focal length of 2,400 millimeters. This extended focal length translates to exceptional magnification capabilities, allowing users to explore the moon's craters, discern details on distant planets, and even observe deep sky objects with clarity. Whether you're a novice or an experienced stargazer, the telescope's high-power optics offer a captivating journey through the night sky. Equipped with a 200 mm aperture, this telescope ensures ample light-gathering capability. The larger aperture allows for brighter and more detailed views of celestial objects, making it an ideal instrument for observing nebulae, star clusters, and galaxies. The telescope's optics are often coated to enhance contrast and minimize light distortion, resulting in crisp and vibrant images during every stargazing session. The telescope's construction is typically sturdy and designed with precision. A stable mount is crucial for minimizing vibrations and ensuring accurate tracking of celestial objects. Many models come with an equatorial mount, allowing users to align the telescope with the Earth's rotation for steady and precise tracking. This feature is especially beneficial when observing objects for extended periods. Ease of use is a pivotal factor for any astronomical instrument, and this telescope doesn't disappoint. Many models come with user-friendly features such as slow-motion controls, which enable smooth adjustments while tracking celestial objects. Additionally, some telescopes in this category offer motorized mounts and go-to technology, automating the process of locating and tracking celestial bodies, making it accessible even for beginners. Portability is another consideration, and this telescope strikes a balance between power and convenience. While not as compact as smaller telescopes, it remains manageable for transportation to darker skies or different observation locations. Some models even come with collapsible designs, making them more travel-friendly without compromising on optical performance. In conclusion, the 200/2400 mm High-Power Astronomical Telescope stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for stargazing enthusiasts. Its impressive focal length, large aperture, sturdy construction, and user-friendly features make it a compelling choice for those eager to explore the celestial wonders above. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just beginning your cosmic journey, this telescope opens a window to the universe, offering an immersive and awe-inspiring experience with every gaze into the night sky.